Hi, today I'm gonna guide you to setting up your first Shopify website. So, from the Shopify website here, of course, shopify.com, you want to click on this button up here to start a free trial. We can get up to 3 days of free trial from Shopify just by signing up. Now, from here, you can sign up with whatever method you prefer. I'm gonna sign up with email. And for this demonstration, I'm gonna be using temp mail for demonstration purposes. I'm gonna put in my email right here, and I'm gonna put in a password as well, and I'm gonna have to verify in the captcha here. Now let's just verify. Let me verify in the captcha here real quick. Now once it's verified, let's create a Shopify account here. Let's wait for it to load. Now once it's loaded, you'll be greeted with a startup screen like this, right? Now you can skip this if you'd like, but for the sake of this tutorial, I'm gonna walk you through this setup. So first off, where would you like to sell? So we can sell as an online store, an in-person and retail store, an existing website or blog, online marketplace, social media, in-person events. But for this demonstration, I'm gonna do an online store. I'm gonna click on next, and you can see it'll ask which best describes you. I'm not selling yet, or I'm already selling, or in person. I'm gonna say I'm not selling yet. Now you can see, what do you plan to sell? Now, of course, answer here. I'm gonna say I'm gonna sell something that I make myself. I'm gonna click on next. Now from here, you can see it'll give you a plan to start off with, but you don't need to actually decide now. You can click on this button here to skip, and you can still get that 3-day free trial to continue and use Shopify to try it out, to test it if it's right for you or not. Now, once you get to this admin dashboard here, now this is what is called an admin dashboard. You're pretty much done with the setup, right? Now you already have a website made for you. If you go to online store here under the sales channel and on themes, you'll see that this is what a Shopify website looks like. Give it a second to load. Now you can see that once it's loaded, now my website has a dawn theme, right? Now if I click on customize, I can see what the website look like here. Let's just wait for it to load. Now here it is. This is what our current website looks like. Now it's all pre-made for you, and you can add things by clicking on this add section. Add section, you can see collection. For example, I want to add something called a rich text. I just click on that, and you can see it'll add the rich text on here. Now it'll be a really long video if I go through the nitty-gritty of what you can do with this website customization tool. So I encourage you to try it out for yourself. I'm gonna click on exit for now. I'm gonna leave the page. Now this is not the only theme that's available. If I scroll down some more, you can see there's a lot more theme we can pick from. Now you can see a lot of it is free. You can see here, but there is a theme store here where you can buy paid themes, and obviously the paid premium themes will have a better theme, a better style, a better aesthetic, all of those stuff. So if you want to explore the option here, now you can see there's a couple of options here. There's one that's up to $400, but if you think those kind of website is worth it, then go for it. I think it's pretty worth it anyways. Now, not just themes, Shopify also has something called apps. Now, Shopify doesn't have everything natively built in, right? For example, booking. Let's do booking. Booking isn't natively available in Shopify, right? So it'll be a problem if you want to add that kind of feature, but don't worry, there is a way to go around this. Shopify has a module-based system where you can install apps to add functionality to your website, right? And the way you can do that is by going to the search bar up here and then typing in whatever you want. So I want a booking app like this, booking. Now you can see, go to Shopify App Store. I can go to there. Now this is basically like a Google Play Store or the App Store, whichever phone you're familiar with. Now you can see there's a lot of apps that we can choose from here. And most of it is free. You can see free. But there are some that's paid, right? So be too mindful of that. Now that's pretty much the basics you need to know about Shopify. I encourage you, of course, to keep trying things out, look for more tutorials, or just mess around with it yourself. If you enjoyed this video, please do consider liking and subscribing.